What's up guys, Oscar here with OBF Tile. Today I bring you an unboxing of a set of trowels I got from Frosch. That's the brand. Here it is. I haven't opened it. The brand name is Frosch. I got this for 75 bucks. It's supposed to be, I think, 7 or 8 trowels. I'm gonna open it and see what the quality is. Alright guys, let's get this box open. I came across this company on Instagram actually. I was probably scrolling through Instagram when a post actually advertising for the kit. The kit that comes with 7 trowels for $79. We are going to open this box and see what the quality is, because sometimes, or most of the time, too good to be true deals are exactly that. So right out of the box, we can see the first 3. We're going to get this first one, I believe is the half by half. Yes, it is. So they feel pretty good. They have the same color as the Marshalltown brand trowels. They feel pretty good on hand, and they look to be built pretty nicely. So right off the bat, I'm pretty happy with it. But, oh, actually, this one seems to be the 3/8 by 3/8, which I've never owned a trowel of this size. But it'd be interesting to see if it's more of a subway tile or 12 by 24 or somewhere in between. Maybe 8 by 8s, because we don't really do 12 by 12s anymore anywhere. Next up is the V-notch. We use V-notch for small mosaics. We also use it for our membrane sometimes. And this one is actually pretty good quality. So same thing, rubber handles. They feel pretty nicely. And I like when the trowels have that little end, because they actually clean the edge of the tile when you run it like that. It's pretty nice, but not all trowels have it, because sometimes the pattern just doesn't end like that on the edge. But this is not a deal breaker. They're still pretty good. I think out of all the trowels, this is the only one that has the little pieces at the end that, like I said, it helps you keep your installation clean, and that's what I like about those. All right, so next up we have this. I believe it's a 3/16 by 3/16, which is a little bigger than 1/8 and not quite 1/4, but we'll take it. You know, it's always nice to have all kinds of sizes of trowels, because same thing happens with tile. You lay some 3x6 one day, and the next day you're laying some 24 by 48s. And speaking of 24 by 48, this is my personal favorite trowel, the semicircles, to lay any type of large format past 12 by 24. My second most favorite, the half by half. This is what I use the most on 12 by 24, even on some 6 by 36 wood plank. But on bigger format, my half circles is my go-to, definitely. The next up we have our 3/8 by quarter. 3/8 by quarter, 12 by 24s, and some of other mosaics. I like it, you know. I can't say much about it. I've been using it for 12 by 24s for a while when the substrate is pretty well prepared. But otherwise, I would use the half by half. Overall, all these trowels feel pretty nicely on hand. Like I said, the handle is rubber, and we'll just see how they perform on when I actually put them to the test. But so far, it's nice to have brand new trowels. And last up is a 1/4 by 1/4. So personal favorite for subway tiles. And of course, this kit is very nice for the price. Okay guys, so first impressions, they're pretty well built. I am gonna test them on the field, but right outside the box, the handle feels comfortable. I got a couple of sizes that I don't own already, so you know, it sounds like, or it looks like I may be able to use them for different applications. It never hurts to have extra sizes of trowels, because you do have to build up sometimes to match different tile thicknesses. So I'll take it.
7 trowels at 75 bucks. You know, that's a little over 10 bucks a piece. That's a great price because they are $19.99 each when you buy them separately. So you are saving some dollars there. Like I said, it never hurts to have extra trowels. I pretty much found myself using all the sizes that there is. The only one that they don't have that I wish they would have had is an 1/8 by 1/8, so I can install my membrane. But at the same time, I can also use the V-notch, which gives me about the same amount of thin set under my membrane. So if you want to stick around and find a video on actual review for these later on, you can subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, OBF Tile, and I will see you on the next video.